South America. This is the continent we've been waiting for. 2 years ago, we set out to ride dirt bikes from LA to the southern tip of South America, one trip at a time.
That was one of the most interesting things that's happened on this trip, I'd say.
Oh, shit. Oh my god! Holy fuck! We just walked under that.
On the first 2 trips, we traveled over 4,000 miles through Mexico, then returned the next year to explore Central America, from Guatemala all the way down to Panama. This year we spent 7 weeks riding deep through the heart of South America through Colombia, Ecuador, and Peru. We traversed through dense jungles, battled through rain and landslides, scorching desert heat, and snow at 16,000 feet. We laughed, cried, screamed, and made so many amazing new friends. This stretch pushed us further than any leg before it. It was the longest, toughest, and somehow most incredible trip yet. This is our journey southbound, part 3. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch that trailer. Jonah and I are so excited for you to watch the full film. With that said, we have a couple super exciting announcements to make, including the release date of episode 3. First off, I just want to say thank you to you guys for being so patient. It's been well over a year since we released episode 2, and I want to just kind of explain why it's taken so long. Over the past few months, we've gotten so many Instagram messages and comments just asking when the film is going to be coming out, including this one, which might be the most flattering comment of all time. But all those messages and comments just truly mean so much to us. So quickly, why has episode 3 taken so long? So the first reason is the trip itself was 7 weeks compared to 4 weeks for the other 2 trips. I think we had well over 20 hours of footage and we have to go through every single second of it, and trying to pack 20 hours into something that's less than 2 hours is just so challenging. Also, this trip, just so much crazy stuff happened, so trying to decide which stuff we can leave in and which stuff that we have to take out is really difficult. Also, the other reason is Southbound is 100% a passion project, so we're not getting paid for any of this. We do have a few sponsors that send us gear now and then, and we love our sponsors so much. But in order to do these trips and make the films, we have to take a very significant amount of time off of work to make them happen. But we make these films because we absolutely love making them. We love just exploring these little parts of the world and sharing the adventure with you guys. Jonah is at home in LA right now, and I'm here in Colorado, and we are working incredibly hard, putting in super long edit days to get this episode done. With that said, I'm going to hop over to Jonah, who has a couple super exciting announcements.
Hey guys, it's Jonah. Thank you guys so much for being here, watching this film, watching this trailer. We're so excited to share it with you. The reason we keep doing these trips, despite how much time and money and work they are, it's just because they've turned into one of the most meaningful things in our lives. And we get to disappear for weeks and then come home and turn all of that chaos into something that we can try and share with people that other people have been relating to. I can't even tell you how much time we've spent like reading comments to each other, just being like, dang, this is so sick that this reached this person or like hit them in that way. Another thing we're really excited for is we now have Southbound merch that you can buy. So if you're looking for a way to support the channel, which we hugely appreciate, our friend Sean, who's a super talented designer, made this, and it is on t-shirts in a bunch of different colors, sweatshirt, hat. There'll be a link in the description if you guys are interested in that. One more thing that we're stoked about is we now have a dedicated Southbound YouTube channel. Over the years, we've gotten a lot of questions about what motorcycles we're riding, camera gear we're using, camping gear, route planning, all that kind of stuff. So while we were in Peru, we shot 3 separate videos detailing all sorts of stuff like that, and 2 of them are available right now on that channel. We're gonna be posting a lot more behind the scenes content and just general motorcycle stuff too. So if you are interested in any of that, make sure you go subscribe. All right, I'm gonna throw you back to Danny, but we have been seriously slaving away on Southbound 3, and I'm just so excited for you guys to see it.
Okay, so when will Southbound episode 3 be released? Because that's probably the thing you guys are most excited to hear. So we are aiming to have it done and released in mid-October. I know we're still a little bit away from that, but I promise you guys it's gonna be worth the wait. This is our favorite episode so far. We think it's gonna be the best one. And like we both said, we just can't wait to share it with you guys. All right, so with that said, links to the merch is down in the description below, as well as links to our second channel where you can find 2 of our gear videos live right now. Thank you guys again for just being so patient with us. We promise it's gonna be worth the wait. I'm gonna get back to editing, but I hope I see you guys over at our second channel. All right, peace.